Hi everyone! I've prepared for you a set of lecture notes on the writing process. Now, writing process is the title of your first major paper assignment in this class, but it's also what you go through in order to create that paper. So what you're going to be doing and what you have been doing for the last week is creating a writing log where you track specifically where you are, how long you write for, what you're writing, whether or not it's a challenge or if it's something that comes easy to you every time you write, and you're going to catalog that in that writing log so you can take a look back and say to yourself, well, I do my best writing when I have music on in the background, when I'm sitting at the kitchen table, when all my siblings are out of the house at basketball practice so I don't have to hear that, and when I'm not hungry, when I've had a really big meal beforehand, and that's when I do my best writing. Okay, so that's part of your writing process. Those environmental factors do influence how you write. Now, there are a couple of other things to the writing process. There are different steps that we take with drafting and revision, and we'll take a look at that here as well. Okay, so this is all formed together to create that writing process. And again, that's what you're going to be exploring in your first major paper. So do pair these lecture notes with the Writing Processes Reading by Charles Bazerman. And take a second to go back to the instructions for the first major paper and reread through them after having gone through these notes and read Bazerman so that you can have a deeper understanding of what we're trying to do and what the goal of this paper is. All right? Okay, well, go ahead, get to it. Contact me with any questions that you have after going through these notes or as you start drafting your paper.